My brand new 22K Generac has a red light. What do I do?
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Generac tool or machine? How old is it?
3 months old.
How long has this been going on with your Generac? What have you tried so far?
Just look just now.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
It's 0 temps here.
Hello, thanks a lot for the question. The green light indicates that the generator is functioning properly. The red light indicates that the unit is in fault mode and will not run. The yellow light indicates that maintenance is needed. Unit will still run as programmed. Let's start by resetting the generator. To reset the alarm, put the generator into the off mode and hit the enter key twice. This will clear the alarm and leave the generator sitting in the off mode.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.